Find the distance between the points A cos 45 degrees and 0 and B is A cos 0 and A cos 45 degrees. In this case, x coordinate is A cos 45 degrees and y coordinate is 0. This point will be somewhere on the x-axis where A cos 45 degrees is the x coordinate and y coordinate is 0. Another point let B where x coordinate is 0. This point will be on y-axis. Let it is point B whose coordinates are x0 and y is A cos 45 degrees. If our y coordinate is 0, it means the point lies on x-axis. And if x coordinate is 0, it means this point lies on y-axis. Right? This is our line. What we have to find? We have to find the distance between these 2 points. What is distance formula? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and whole under root. Now x2 is 0 minus A cos 45 degrees plus y2 is 0 minus A cos 45 degrees whole square and whole under root. 0 minus A cos 45 degrees, what do we get? A square cos square 45 degree plus this is A cos 45 degrees minus 0, y2 minus y1 minus 0 whole square. Here also we get A square cos square 45 degrees. What is cos 45 degrees बच्चे? 1 by root 2. What will we get? A square into cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Cos square 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 whole square. Plus A square 1 by root 2 whole square. What do we get? A square by 2 plus A square by 2. 2 is LCM. A square plus A square. 2A square. 2 and 2 get cancelled. A square under root is A. This is the distance between these 2 points. The following are the marks of 9 students in a class. We have to find the median of these marks. First, what we have to do? We have to arrange the data in ascending order. First is 19, then 26, then 28, 29, 31, 35, 36, 37 and 48. These are the marks of 9 students. N is 9. Number of students are 9. What we have to find? We have to find the median. What is median? The middle term is the median. This is raw data. So median, if our n is odd, in this case n is 9, median is odd. So which term is the middle term? N plus 1 upon 2th term is our median, which is the middle term. N is 9, 9 plus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2, that is 5th term will be the middle term or our median 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 31 is our median. Don't forget to arrange your data in ascending order. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. If 1 0 of x square minus 5x minus 6 is 6, 1 0 is given. This is a quadratic polynomial. We have to find the other 0. X square minus 5x minus 6. Middle term is minus 5. Coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is minus 6. 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6. What can be factors? 1 into 6 or 2 into 3 is also 6. Either 2 or 5 or either 2 or 3. Anyone will be of negative. But 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. What will we do? X square minus. In place of 5x, what we can write? 6x minus x is 5x minus 6. We have minus sign outside the bracket. X square minus 6x plus x minus 6. Take these two. What is common? X. X minus 6 plus 1 is common. X minus 6. We have two factors, x minus 6 and x plus 1. Put x minus 6 equals to 0. X equals to 6. Given that 6 is a 0. X plus 1 equals to 0. X equals to minus 1. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 is our another 0, and which is our answer. What is the HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number? Which is our smallest prime number? 2, not 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. And which is our smallest composite number? That is 4. Now what we have to find? HCF. 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Prime factors of 2 are 2 into 1. Or we can write 2, and 4 is 2 into 2. That is 2 ka square. Here we get 2 ki power 1. What is HCF? Smallest power of the common factor. Which is the common factor? 2. Smallest power of common factor is 2 ki power 1. That is 2 is the HCF of these two numbers. If we have to find the LCM, what will be LCM? What is LCM? Highest power of each factor. But in this case, we have only two factors. Highest power is 2 ki power 2. That is 4. 4 will be the LCM and 2 will be the HCF. In an AP, if common difference is 4 and the seventh term is 4, what we have to find? We have to find the first term. Common difference is D, which is given 4. Now, seventh term of an AP, A7 is also 4. What is A7? What is AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. What will be the value of A7? What is A7? Value of A7 is 4. A7 can be written as A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is A7 is A plus 6D. A7 is 4. 4 equals to A plus 6 into B is given 4. 4 equals to A plus 24. What we have to find? First term. First term is A. What will be the value of A? 4 minus 24. That is minus 20 is the value of first term, which is A. Find values of K. Value or values of K if the quadratic equation 3x square minus k root 3x plus 4 equals to 0 has equal roots. But if a quadratic equation whose general form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, if a quadratic equation has equal roots, it means d, which is discriminant, equals to 0. And what is formula for getting discriminant? B square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now, as per our equation, what is A? A is 3, coefficient of x square. What is B? Minus k root 3. And what is C? C is 4. Now, it is given that roots are equal. It means D equals to 0. What is D? B square minus 4ac minus k root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4 is equals to 0. Minus ka square is minus into minus plus. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48 equals to 0. K square, 3k square equals to 48 and k square equals to 48 by 3. K square is 16. What will be the value of k? K is root 16. That is plus minus 4 is our answer. We have two values of k, that is plus minus 4. Find 11th term from the last term of an AP. This AP is given. In this case, first term A is 27. What is common difference? D. How can we find common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 23 minus 27 is minus 4. Last term is also given, that is L minus 65. What we have to find? We have to find the last term of an AP 11th last term. Nth term from last. The formula for this will be nth term from the beginning. The formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. If we have to find nth term from the beginning. But if we have to find nth term from the last, what is the formula? First term from the last, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. Clear? What will we get? Minus 65 minus A11. Minus 65 minus 11 minus 1 into what is D? Minus 4. Minus 65 minus 10 into minus 4. Minus n minus plus minus 65 plus 40. What do we get? Minus 25 is the 11th term from the last. If cos A equals to 2 by 5, find the value of 4 plus 4 tan square A. Now what we have to find? We have to find value of 4 plus 4 tan square A. One method is we find the value of sin A because tan A is sin A upon cos A. So you can find the value of sin A. How will we find the value of sin A? We have identity cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. And what is sin A? 1 minus cos square A whole under root. And tan A is sin A upon cos A. We can do it like this. Or what we can do, what is common in these two terms? 4. What is this? 1 plus tan square A. And we have identity. What is 1 plus tan square A? Sec square A. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. And what is sec square A? Sec A is 1 upon cos A. What will be the value of sec A? Sec A will be 1 upon, what is cos A? 2 by 5, that is 1 into 5 by 2. Sec A is 5 by 2. Therefore 4 into 5 by 2 whole square. 4 into 25 by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. 25 is our answer. Determine the value of P and Q so that the prime factorization of 2520 is expressible as 2 की power 3 into 3 की power P into Q into 7. What we have to do? We have to find the prime factorization of 2520. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2, 6 are 12, 0. Again with 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 0. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now this is with 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15. Again divide with 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now with 5 7s are 35, 7. Now 7 1s are 7. What is the prime factorization? 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into 5 into 7. Now what is our P? 3 की power P. On equating these two, what will we get? The value of P is 2. Q into 7. What will be the value of Q? Which is 5 is our Q.